Hi, I'm Vera, and here's my friend Yelena. Yelena and her family have lived in Burlington for about 5 years, and I've known her and her family for just over a year as our kids go to school together. It was very exciting to find out that they're expecting another baby. Their baby Adelia was born in January. Once I heard of that, I thought of the time when we were expecting our baby Paul. We were blessed by the Glad Tidings Church at that time when he was born through the ministry called Meals for Moms. Because here at Glad Tidings, I know it's the church desire to help new mothers. And one of the ways to do it is through this Meals for Moms program, as it helps to lighten the load when mothers need it most, and we've experienced it for ourselves. And here's Yelena to share her experience.
Okay, thank you, Eva. I would like to say thanks for all ladies who bless me so much. First time when Jean called me, she said, we have a meals for you. I've been surprised. She said we have like 6 meals. I said maybe one it's enough, but she said we have 60 ladies in that ministry, and I had a feeling like she had an army, cooking army. It's been amazing, you know. All food was prepared very well, like no fast food, nothing, like just very tasty food. And you know, we are like immigrants here, me and my husband. We don't have any parents over here, and it's very difficult, like when you have a 6 baby, you know, and to pay attention to every child, and to husband, and to do meals. And it's very difficult, but these ladies who brought all this food helped me a lot, because I've been with baby more time, I've been with other kids. It's very important in the beginning to give love to everybody, like to kids. So it was very easy for me that time, and I've been amazed by love. You know, I had a feeling like church came to my house, and all ladies been very nice, and I met a lots of new friends like Marina and other women. I just would like to say thanks, because it's a lots of love. Yeah. I feel love from everybody.